To work in Florence as a designer is a huge opportunity to see how arts and buildings, especially back in the Renaissance, were realized. You can always go around in town and with your eyes you can see how proportions need to be made, and these reach even the final product that you are designing. When you look at shapes, even if you don't look at them with a lot of attention, they just work in your brain, and then when you will design something, probably they will come out.
My name is Christy Duggan, and I'm the marketing manager for Counterculture Coffee. So once we decided to collaborate on an espresso machine, the team at La Marzocco wanted us to put together a mood board. And since we were going to be celebrating our 30th anniversary this year, we really kind of clung to this idea of like, what was coffee like in 1995 and what is it like today? And so we drew on a lot of influences from the 90s, Nirvana and grunge music, and then juxtaposing that with where our branding is today, which is modern, colorful, bright, organic shapes. There was just a lot of different elements on this mood board that we're trying to like bring together where we came from and where we are today.
I'm Stefano Della Pietra, Product Design and Innovation Manager at La Marzocco. The idea was to create a puzzle of tiles in which incorporate all the different styles that we received from the mood board itself. At that point, Counterculture decided to push more on our DNA. So to push these different tiles with the materials that are part of the La Marzocco identity. We have the stainless steel, that is how our panels and our bodies are generally made for the external shape of the machine, but even the boilers inside of the machine. Then we have brass that is used in our tradition, and also we have some small parts of the components inside the machine, like nuts or things like that. And then we have the copper, that is the material in which our pipes are mainly made. I think that this really worked perfectly because we were pushing to achieve the counterculture mood board, and counterculture wanted to highlight our DNA, so there was a full respect and trust of the two brands. We really enjoyed the process because it was a hard one to create these 80 tiles and to put all of them in the right position on the machine. And the idea is to create the cutting layout to put on sheet metal and to cut it by hand. We had the bending phase and then the welding and the polishing of the components. The final moment is the assembly of the machine, that is always quite risky because there are 80 components that you need to put together without scratches, so it's really manually hard to achieve this goal.
I am Brett Smith, co-founder and president of Counterculture Coffee. As our team has spent time at La Marzocco's facilities over the last few days, it's been so impressive to see how they've built this incredible company that still hand makes all their espresso equipment. Our success at Counterculture is based on our relationships, and we've been incredibly proud to partner with La Marzocco as we've grown over the years.
My name is Gecko Yamino. I work here at La Marzocco. I am part of the product team as well as the marketing director for the United States office. Counterculture has three pillars: quality, sustainability, and education. And at Marzocco, we talk about durability, reliability, and consistency. It's about having these relationships that last. It's about doing things not for the moment, but for a vision of the future.
Collaborating on this machine that represents our aligned values has been such a meaningful way to celebrate our 30th anniversary. We feel grateful to have the opportunity to work together on this project and to call La Marzocco a long-standing partner of ours.